What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Crypto in Bitcoin is looking very bullish once again as we're seeing the narrative spun by the whales, and there's a lot of speculation around a pump up to potentially $35,000. So we're going to have a little look at some news today, as well as 4 of my picks for July 2023 coins I do personally buy into and also hold at the same time. So we can see Bitcoin is floating around 30.8k at the moment. It's up 11% on the month, which is looking pretty solid. And to be fair, the overall week has been kind of mixed emotions. We've seen some coins go down, but we've seen a lot of coins also 2, 3, 5x, and especially meme coins as well. But we can see on the day it's pretty much just fully green. So coin number 1, Bitcoin, 30.8k. Of course, the OG is going to be number 1, and what really excites me at the moment is for Bitcoin, we're seeing a very tight consolidation between $31,000 and $30,000. And also from a news point of view, we're starting to see a lot of positive sentiment posted online. And of course, retail investors, they're very receptive to these kind of titles because they will happily chase the green candles and FOMO in once the coins have already pumped, but they will not buy the extreme fear scenarios. So here it says Bitcoin speculators send 35k Bitcoin to exchanges in new elation inflow. Bitcoin short-term holders are keenly eyeing potential Bitcoin selling opportunities, even as their average profits total a modest 10%. So there is every chance we could see the price actually soar up. Crypto Tony, analyst, thinks that there's a good chance we'll break through this resistance, and I also do as well, because this is like a bull flag right here, and the more times you retest a resistance level, the more likely we are to see that magical breakout to the upside. Another from Rect Capital, who has noticed that basically we are above this very sensitive support trend line of 29.2k, and we've held it really nicely on that monthly time frame as well. So there's every chance that we could see a bit of bullish continuation here for Bitcoin. I'd love to see it personally. We can look at this chart as well that I've got, and to be honest, it's the same story. We're in this resistance trend line, we're still in this resistance trend line, and it looks like we're actually holding pretty nicely, and we could get a bit of a pump to the upside. Bollinger Bands on the daily, we're not overextended yet, so there's every chance we could target 32.6k for the next impulse wave up for Bitcoin. Of course, remember, this is not financial advice. If you're also new to the channel, get yourself into the Discord channel as well. Over 15,000 members, and do consider becoming a patron if you would like trading signals. Maybe you're a hard-working person that doesn't have the time, but if you want all the signals, the stop losses, exit points, entry points, whatever you need, as well as early access to pre-sales, straight to DEX launches, all that good stuff, do check it out, because here are some of the trading cards. People are making a lot of juicy gains in this Discord server, the Jacob Crypto Clan, so please check it out down below. The next coin, number 2, is going to be the Thug Life token. The reason I've included this to best crypto to potentially buy in July video, of course it's all speculation and not financial advice, is simply because I think it will launch in July, and it's one that I have bought into. So we can see one Thug token is worth $0.0007. This is on the Ethereum mainnet, so the ERC20 network as well. So in 1 or 2 days they've raised $149,000. So on average they're raising a solid sort of 50 to 100k a day. So I expect this one to sell out in maybe 2 or 3 weeks, and their plan is to launch straight onto a decentralized exchange, but they're piggybacking and funneling in to the hype on meme coins at the moment and all those 2.0 coins that we're seeing. So tokenomics, Ethereum, 4.2 billion total supply. Sold in pre-sale 70%. We've got tokens available 2.94 billion. The token price 0.0007. That is 3 zeros. Just check it's right over here as well. Yep, 3 zeros there. Perfect. And the liquidity lock. So the LP pool is locked in for 3 bumps as well. So you've got a bit of a timeline there. So if you do see any profits after the straight to DEX launch, even if it's a 2, 3, 4, 5x, do consider taking those profits off the table. That's exactly what I do. Withdraw that first initial capital so your investment is risk-free in that sense. But yeah, the Thug Life token is really moving quick. Already 2,460 followers in just a couple of days, and they're really getting into that meme coin space, as you can see right there. Gonna get a freaking copyright for that. So Casper Kaz, 0.0264 4. This is another coin that I'm closely looking at. It's a smaller cap token, $506 million. So by a bull run, you could speculate a 10x would take it to 5 billion. And when we look at the historical data here, it's actually a relatively new coin. So it's not had a chance to actually thrive in a bull market environment where you explore all those psychological stages of thrill, euphoria, excitement, and greed. So this really does make me think, okay, there's a good chance here. So on a monthly time frame, it's consolidating quite tightly between the 0.028 and the 0.024 level. 68% of supply is in circulation. What is this coin? Casper. So CAS is the ticker symbol. It says Casper, be on the block. Casper is the fastest open source, decentralized, and fully scalable layer 1 in the world. So I do like my layer 1s, and I do like them when they're fast, secure, and of course fully decentralized as well. But yeah, it looks really, really cool. Casper at a glance. It's a community project, completely open source, of no central governance, following in the ethos of coins like Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Monero. The coin was fair launched without pre-mining or any other pre-allocations of coins. So this is pretty cool. Max supply to an 8.7 billion, $500 million market capitalization, and it's another one that's on my list. Now the next one might surprise you, not because it's a shitcoin or anything, because it's absolutely not, but because Compound, in my opinion, is very, very heavily and tightly correlated with Bitcoin. So what we're seeing is a rank 82 Compound right now, $447 million market capitalization. Looking in retrospect, we can see this had a market capital of 4 billion once. So it was a 10x higher than where we currently are. Now what I'm seeing on the year is that we're trying to retest this very sensitive resistance of $58 here, guys. So if it does break through $58, we're looking at a next leg up of potentially $63 and also $66. So there could be a 20 to 30% further pump here for the Compound, but do remember it has actually pumped massively already in the last sort of day or so. It's moved from $30 like over the last week to $60. So yes, the bulls are eyeing up this coin. There's a lot of FOMO around this coin, but remember, there's every chance it could also correct as well, because they're a bit late to the party, to be honest. But 247.2k followers right here. Compound Labs, oh look at them flexing the gold tick. Here is the website for Compound.finance, borrowing back by 2.2 billion of collateral across 5 markets right there. So have a little research in your own spare time. It's good to check out these coins. Here is the Twitter for Compounder. They also had a partnership with Linear Build as part of their DeFi Voyage quest. So yeah, it's a bear market and they're still partnering up with other big, brands and teams out there trying to grow as much as possible. So it's a big green flag. So jacobcrypobury, we've got 435 patrons at the moment. If you want to become a crypto hunter, it's only $10 a month for Crypto Warrior, $25 a month for Crypto Champion, $50 a month. The Crypto Legend role, if you want to get all of that juiciness, it's the one-stop crypto shop. You're going to get the most insights, the most sort of bang for buck. Well, to be honest, actually the most popular is Crypto Warrior, but if you really are serious about your crypto, we've got one space remaining for the Crypto Legend, so you can find the link down to my Patreon down below. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you check out the Thug Life token, which could do some crazy stuff. 10x potential, not really sure what could happen, but 2 million market cap. Launch is pretty low, considering a 10x would take it to 20 million, and we are in a meme season right now. And if this video was helpful, do slap that subscribe, like, comment, and see you soon.